Now here there is a problem, and this is given the D diameter of the shaft greater than equal to 25 mm, RPM of the shaft is 720, belt pulley diameter is equal to 360 millimeter. Belt pulley is used. Okay. Now it transmits a it transmits through coupling. This is the coupling. And through coupling a power of 3 HP to a rotary compressor. It is supported on identical bearings. Select the bearing if the life of bearing is to be 3 years at 8 hours per day working. Okay, running. Now you please draw the figure first in the left hand side. Okay. Then in the right hand side. Now I will tell you how this is 50 kg. Now this is just you solve it. This is RA and the distance are given. This is not given, but we will find out. T, what solution T is equal to 71620 HP by N. HP is 3 HP, so this is 289.1 kg centimeter. So that T is equal to, this formula for bend tension, the net pull into radius dP by pulley radius by 2. So S1 minus S2 into dP by 2. S1 minus S2 is equal to this one. Okay. T is found out here. So you put it dP, So this is equal to 16.57 kg. So S1 minus S2 is 16.57 kg. If it is not given, you always take the tight side tension in twice of the slack side tension. So S2 is equal to 16.5, S1 will be equal to 33.14. S2 is equal to 16.57 kg and S1 is equal to 33.14 kg. This kg means this is a kg force. Okay. Now S1 plus S2 is equal to 49.71. We take it 50 kg. That's why here it is 50 kg. So you can find out RA and RC, the reactions. Okay. Now from here we get net downward pull is equal to 50 kg. So you can find out RA is equal to this and RC is equal to this. If you add these two, it will be 50. Okay. Now which will be FR, radial? Radial force is this one, because this is the maximum between these two. So radial force is equal to maximum of RA and RC. So this is equal to RA is equal to 31.25 kg force. Now FA, if not given, here there is no FA because there is no axial load. So it is FA is equal to 0. So N will be, N is the number of revolution. It is 3 years. So we calculate 3 years, 365 days into 3 years into 8 hours per day. Hours is converted to minutes into 720. This is the RPM, revolution per minute. So it will be total in revolutions. Okay. So revolution N is found out. Again, P is equal to, this is the formula. This is C1 is equal to 1.6, V is equal to 1, FR is known, X is equal to 1 and FA is equal to 0. So this is 0. So this is equal to, P is equal to 50 kg. Okay. Now N by 10 to the power 6 into C by P to the power cube for the ball bearing. So C is equal to this one and that will be equal to 360 kg. That is converted to 792 pounds. Okay. Now let us select from this pound is equal to, this is a series. 60 series light duty, 60 into 0.5. So this is the dimension from the 60 series. These are the dimension in millimeter. So this is there. Okay, these are in pounds. Okay, so from the table, you got it. So this is the solution of that problem.